Hi everyone! Thank God it's Friday and welcome to another episode of The Upper Room with Pastor Doc. Kamusta po ang lahat? I hope you had a wonderful week. Sana ay naging productive, naging masaya, at meaningful ang mga nakaraang araw natin. Tonight, here in The Upper Room, we're stepping into the world of a woman who made a brave shift from a fast-paced corporate grind to the rhythm of home life. She's a beautiful wife, a wonderful mother of two, and a woman who is a full-time work-from-home mom. Please help me welcome my beautiful daughter, Laika.
Hello.
Hello, my daughter.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How?
Hi. It's been a long time. Hi.
Friends, this is my unika iha, my princess, Laika.
Yeah.
She's my eldest daughter. Likes, how do you feel about this
Now?
episode?
I feel so old
Why?
that I get to parang share my life.
Share your
So
life?
parang may napagdaanan na ako para makapag-share.
Oo naman. Lahat naman tayo may pinagdaan. Lahat tayo pwedeng pakapulutan ng aral.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Ng mga tao dyan sa nanonood sa atin. So here in the upper room, you introduce yourself.
Okay.
Paano mo gusto kang makilala ng mga viewers ng The Upper Room?
Okay. Hello, viewers. So, as my mom said, I am Laika. I'm her daughter, her firstborn.
Mm-hmm.
I'm 33, turning 34 this December. I've been married for 11 years. I have 2 children, an 11-year-old and 2-year-old daughter. So, boy and girl. Then, ano pa ba? Pwede ko sabihin. Been working professionally for 11 years. And then I studied journalism in University of Santo Tomas. Then ever since I've been working, I also tried to study law before, but I stopped. Then after that, I worked na from the start, and then up to now. When I got married and I had kids na, dire-diretso na.
Dire-diretso yung trabaho mo in the
Yeah.
corporate world. No?
Yes.
So, take us back to the time when you were still in the corporate job, no?
Mhm.
Ano ang buhay mo noon as a person who's worked in a company
Yeah.
with a husband and a kid,
Yes.
no? Isang
lang.
anak pa lang noon. So, how was it during the time?
Well, every day, yun nga,
Mhm.
it's a grind, a corporate grind na what other people also experience.
Mhm.
So what I usually do, I wake up around 5 a.m. and then go to work before 7, then 7 to 8 nandun na ako.
Mhm.
And then I go home, depende kung tapos na ba or not. Usually 4, 5, ganyan. So, I worked also in Quezon City before. So, from Parañaque to Quezon City every single day
Yeah.
for at least 5 years I
Yep.
worked. So, yun. Nakakauwi ako siguro. Swerte na yung 7 p.m. So, imagine, I leave my house, wala pang 7. And then, I come back, gabi na, 7 na rin. Abot sa dinner, pero kain na lang. Hindi na mag-prepare. Wala na.
Yes.
Diretso kain na lang, ganon.
Correct.
Yun.
So that was your life in the corporate world before,
Yes.
no? Parang umaga aalis, diretso doon, trabaho doon, balik. So who took
Every
care
day.
of Asher during
Of
the time?
Asher, of course, I've always had, caretakers, nannies, ganyan. Sometimes you.
Me.
Pag nawawala ng kasama sa house,
Oo.
ikaw, walang choice.
Oo.
Dinadala
Yeah.
mo pa sa clinic minsan.
Yes, when he was a baby. But that was when he was a baby, no? But
Yeah.
you worked in the corporate world for almost 10 years, right? So
11.
what made you decide to just stay at home and work from home? What was the major decision? That was a major decision.
Yes.
What was the factor that made you come up to that decision?
So yeah, recently, I just gave birth to
Mm-mm.
my second born, si Arya. So she's now 2 years old.
Mm-mm.
And I think from that time, nagka-ano na lang talaga align lahat. Na I was really getting tired. It was really hard for me to juggle everything. Imagine, I was a breastfeeding mom and working outside. And syempre, yung maternity leave, ilang months lang yun. Like 3 months, I guess. So, and I had to continue breastfeeding. Umabot sa point na I had to go home early kasi naubusan ng milk si Arya. Buti na lang may kasabay akong pinsan na nagbe-breastfeed. Tinry niya. Pero ayaw sa kanya, ganyan.
Yung direct breastfeeding.
So, nag-share kami ng milk minsan, ganyan. Nag-share kami, ganyan. So, umabot na tumatakbo ko sa bahay, pauwi, nag-drive ako para, wala, ayaw niya kasi ng formula nun eh. So, yung ganun ba na it's hard to juggle everything, tapos the stress of work, it's always there. It's always there. It's hard to balance everything. So, I think, tapos nawalan pa ako ng house help at the same time. So, I guess it was really, yung life ko wasn't really for that kind of work situation.
So, was it because you didn't have a helper, a housekeeper, a caregiver, that made you finally decide to just stay at home?
Actually, sabay siya nangyari. When I decided, umalis na yung house help. Parang siguro nakita nila, andito na siya sa bahay. So, kaya nag-umalis na lang din sila. Siguro kasi they can finally leave, parang ganon. Kasi nga meron din silang family. Ganyan. So, nagkasabay siya actually. But the decision was, among other things, it was really something personal sa akin na I wanted to take a break from, every day, Parañaque to the north. And, yun pa lang eh. Yun pa lang is like a big decision and cost-cutting na rin. Sa everyday na gas, na toll, na lahat. Na pag kinumpute mo yung sweldo mo,
parang
sa
dun
gas,
lang napunta.
Oo, halos. So, hindi rin nakasabay eh. Yung cost and yung income eh. So, cutting down the cost was one thing also. There's so many factors. And yun, mostly, the decision was really to stay home na. And
to take care.
To take care of my kids and to hopefully work then at home. Find a job at home.
So now, you're working at home.
Yes, I am working. So from the time I resigned June last year,
until now,
July, start na agad. Ng another job. Na work from home full-time. So I started.
So pero during that time, July, wala ka pa rin talagang yaya?
Wala talaga.
So,
yes, wala.
So, what's your job now?
Right now, I'm working with my brother. So, we're partners in a business. Our business is called Studio FC. Yes. Free plug. So, Studio FC is a design studio. Mostly, we're focused on branding, website, and social media. Or anything marketing, anything advertising, ganyan. So, more on marketing. So, I'm the growth and operations. I make sure, I get the clients, and I make sure yung operations namin ni JC/4 ay up and running and making sure na all the projects are being delivered on time, everything yun. So, ganon. Growth and operations right now.
So, technically, you're full-time working. While being a mom.
Yes.
Even if you're at home.
Yes, I'm full-time.
Still without yaya.
Still without yaya. So, I had before na nawawala, ganyan.
So, how do you juggle it? I mean, hindi mo pwedeng sabihin that you work from home, pwede ka nang nakahiga. Hindi po siya ganon, di ba? Even if it's technically at home, the work is the same. Actually, no? Because the quality of the work of a person who's working in the corporate world versus the quality of work working at home should be the same.
Oh, yes.
Diba? It shouldn't matter where you're working because yung trabaho should be the same. The quality of work that you do for a certain company or
should be better
it should be the same. Actually, mas pagan mo pa nga kasi nasa bahay ka na nga eh.
Correct.
Wala ka nang excuse, wala kang
makakarating ka ba?
Oo, wala kang pamasahe, ganon. So, you're still full-time working at home without a nanny.
Right.
So, describe to us
how do I do it?
Yeah, how do you do it?
How do I do it? Pag nalaman ko ng sagot, share ko sa inyo. Pero,
How do you do it? Meron bang, what's a
Yeah.
typical day for you?
mm-mm,
When you wake up, and then ganyan.
Yes.
As in, wala ka kasing yaya eh.
right.
Kailangan ka mag-work. So, how do you do it?
Okay, so, syempre, my husband, si
Yeah.
tatay, is a big part of it.
Right.
No? So, it's not just me.
Mm-mm.
So, salitan kami in the morning kasi we have a student, a grade 5 student, si Asher. Kung sinong gigising ng 5 a.m. Kasi 5:30 gigising si Asher. Para makarating bago mag-7 si
Yes,
Asher
sa
sa school.
school,
Kasi
oo.
maliligo pa, breakfast, magluluto ng breakfast. Everyday salitan kami. So, ako and then siya naman gigising para medyo makatulog ng konting late. So, usually 5 a.m. we wake up, prepare breakfast for everyone. Tapos si tatay and Asher sabay na aalis. So, mag-school na si Asher, si tatay naman mag-work, ako mag-stay. And habang tulog si Arya, nag-work na ako konti in the morning, like 6 a.m. to around 8 a.m. Nakaka-work na ako for 2 hours na focus and super bilis kasi nga, pag gising na tong maliit, mahirap na. So, when she wakes up at 8, breakfast and everything, tapos hugas pinggan, ganyan. Tapos, work paunti-unti kasi guguluhin ako ni Arya, maglalaro kami, maglalakad kami, pupunta kami sa playground, babalik, bago-work na naman. Yung work ko is not fixed na at 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. nag-work ako. Hindi ganun yung itsura niya. Parang paano-ano, pakat-kat, hanggang sa matapos ko na lang yung buong araw. Pag hintay ko kay tatay makauwi, that's when the time na makaka-work ulit ako.
Which is what time? Around?
Usually kasi, kaya early din si tatay, like 7 a.m. para makauwi rin siyang early, like 4 or 5. Usually 5 or 6 siya nakakarating. Then, magpe-prepare pa siya ng dinner. And then after dinner, pag akyat nila, that's time also na I can also hyper-focus to work. Ganon. So, mahirap siya, pero nakaka-work naman kahit papaano.
Yes, pero disclaimer, she's not working with a company na 8 to 5 talaga.
No.
They own the company. So,
Yes.
she can do this. Kasi baka sabihin ng iba, ganun din naman pala eh. Pag work from home pala, pwede kang mag-alaga lang ng bata. Hindi eh. It's not that. No? Because your work starts at 6 in the morning and ends in whatever
Depends
time at
on the
night.
time.
No?
Minsan, magkausap kami ni JC, 12 midnight.
Yes, oo.
So, if we feel like hindi pa natin magawa yung today, matapos, work pa. Pero pag, kaya na bukas, di bukas naman. Parang ganon. Wala kaming time, but wala kaming time that it's not really a positive thing always.
Right.
It's more on productivity and what you have to achieve.
Right.
Whatever the time is, you can do it.
Yes. So, you mentioned that yung talagang big support mo is tatay.
Yes.
No? So, because you're married to a very responsible, a very kind, and a very masipag na asawa. No?
Yes.
So, you're blessed with that partner. Kasi yung iba, talagang ewan ko kung paano nila ginagawa. No? So, kung work from home and you're alone, especially yung mga single mothers out there, please comment how you do it as a single parent in the work from home status, no? How do you do it?
Grabe.
Comment down below. Please tell us how you do it para naman ma-advise din natin yung mga ibang work from home na parents.
And ma-encourage din na,
kaya pala, di ba? Kahit may asawa ka o wala, posibleng gawin.
Yes.
And the quality should always be there talaga. No? Kasi, hindi mo naman talaga maiiwasan eh. You're married, you have kids, you don't have yaya. No?
They come and go minsan.
Right. Hindi na siya katulad nung panahon namin nung nanganganak ako. Ang
Laging
mga yaya tumatagal talaga. Taon ang binibilang.
Yes.
Malalaki na yung mga anak mo bago sila aalis. Ngayon, 1 linggo, 2 linggo, pinakamatagal na yan, ano? Because of course, meron din silang mga needs that sometimes we really can't give to them, no? Hindi natin maibigay sa kanila. So, you mentioned that you have a very supportive husband, no? If maybe without him, mahihirapan ka talaga.
Lalo
kang mahihirapan, no? So, what are your limitations being a full-time mom, working from home? What are your limitations? What are your difficulties, no? Ano yung mga difficulties mo that you encounter the whole day in your day as a work from home mother? And wife, of course.
Siyempre, if only I could like do everything na, kunyari pag work lang. That's my limitation eh. I can't just work na focus lang na work lang.
Mm.
Hindi maraming distractions sa paligid, maraming kailangan tugunan
Yeah.
na responsibilities.
Correct.
Even pagsundo sa anak ko, kahit mabilis lang, malapit lang, it will
Oo.
take time.
Yeah. Mm-mm.
So, basically, yung ganun bang struggle na hindi mo kayang magtuloy-tuloy, kung pwede lang eh. Kasi, syempre may desire ka naman din na, pwede naman, wag na muna. Pag nanay ka, pwede bang ganito muna yung nanay? Trabaho muna, tapos nanay ka na lang after. Hindi eh. The whole time, ganun siya. Hindi siya organized that way na parang may section lang na pwede kang maging nanay muna and then break muna, work ka muna, ganyan. So, I think that would be the hardest for me is wala kang break, wala kang rest for yourself.
Yes, yes.
You don't have. Like, kung masasabi ko na, ay, nasa bahay na ako, yes, sarap na buhay ko kasi pwede na akong humiga-higa, ganyan. I don't think nakanap ako ever. For a year now, nakanap na ba ako? Siguro pag may sakit lang ako.
Yeah.
Yeah, pero hindi ako nakaka-siesta or something. And I sleep, what time? Ano na? 11, 12, ganyan. Just so I can have my me time.
Right.
Minsan magsi-cellphone ako, ganyan, para pagtulog na sila, para walang distractions, para yun na lang yung for myself. Ganon.
Correct. So,
yeah,
those are the difficulties, some of the difficulties.
Some.
What do you do? Kunyari, there's a time, I'm sure there was a time, no, in the 1 year that you were there as a full-time work from home mom. What do you do when a time comes when you're really depressed and too tired and you have no one to give your daughter to during the day? What do you do?
Sometimes, I stop everything. I just stop and so do something that comforts me. Aside from magdadasal at magre-reflect. Tatahimik ka lang, ganyan. And maybe eat something nice, eat something good. Mag-drive-through, ganyan.
Right.
Something,
comfort food,
ganyan. Sometimes I do that para medyo maano ka naman, mahimas-mas. Yung minsan feeling ko parang, ano ba to? Parang di pa ako naligo.
Yeah.
Yung mga ganun ba?
Correct,
na parang you're not parang as fabulous as when you go outside. Sometimes ganun kasi pag nag-work ka outside, magdi-dress up ka, mag-makeup ka. Tapos aalisan mo yung pamilya mo. But that's another struggle kasi iiwan mo mahirap din. Pero it's another struggle na magstay ka sa house, tapos nandun ka lang. Yung parang, asan yung ano mo, yung self mo ba? So, finding yourself, sometimes I'd go out with my friend. Like, have lunch, parang ganon. Pag, kailan yun? Imagination ko lang ba yun? Parang hindi pa nangyari.
Kailan nangyari yun? Okay.
Yung mga ganon.
Kasi pag lumalabas ka, kasama mo rin sila eh.
Oo nga. Naiisip ko talaga, kailan ko ba ginawa yun? So, medyo wala, pero hanap lang ng way na meron at meron ding ibibigay ang Diyos para ikaw makahinga, maka-breather at kayanin mo ang life mo. Ikaw ba'y naiiyak?
But like, so when you compare your life in the corporate world and your life now as a work from home mom, which do you prefer? If given a choice, if given a choice, which do you prefer to do at this moment,
At this moment.
Like, I give you a yaya. Example, I give you a yaya. I give you, a full-time yaya versus you go back to the corporate life.
Siguro,
which do you prefer?
Okay.
You may answer that in
sa susunod.
Sa susunod na, no? Di ba, it's you answer it.
It's hard, kasi when I work out, I get to have parang myself na parang I get to be in touch with myself. Na parang I'm not just like the mom and the wife. I'm like lang when I go out. Sometimes ganun yung may fulfillment kang ganun na-feel when you go outside. Versus when you stay at home, you are like at all na lahat. Mami ka, asawa ka, lahat. And nandun din yung self mo when you work, ganyan. So, but right now, I think I would choose what I have right now. Yeah, kasi I know what it feels like to be in both worlds.
Both worlds,
So, I would prefer to be staying and not missing out on small moments na everyday. Kasi pag inisip ko yung matagal nang nag-work ako before sa labas, it's more on, ang dami kong nami-miss. na yung everyday sa hapon, yung simpleng maglalakad lang sa labas, na i-enjoy mo yung afternoon with your kids. Wala akong ganun. Kasi 7 na ako umuuwi. Gabi na.
Yeah, actually.
Matutulog na. Yung ibang moms pa nga, dadating, tulog na. Aalis, tulog yung mga pamilya nila, aalis, ay babalik, tulog na naman.
Oo, diba?
So, nila. So, I would prefer to be here. And it's a luxury it's a privilege to be able to work at home. Earn while you're at home to be with your family.
Taking care of your
nagsasabi
kids.
yun.
Yeah.
Na ganun. It's a privilege and a blessing to be able to do this.
Yeah. So, which brings me to the question na, yung rewards mo, rewards from being a work-from-home mom.
Yeah.
One of those is you are able to take care of your kids personally. Kasi sa panahon ngayon, if you leave your kids, hindi mo alam kung anong mangyayari sa mga anak mo di ba? It's so scary. I will go back to the time, to the time that they were growing up. Yung mga yaya noon, para silang mga nanay ng mga anak ko. Ganun dati. Pero hindi ko nila lahat, no? Pero syempre ngayon, ang dami nang nangyayari sa buhay. So, that's one of the rewards of being a work-from-home mom, no? Taking care of your kids. What else? What rewards do you get out of being a work-from-home mom?
Siguro one of the best rewards, aside from yung as a mother, as a family life, no, is having your own time. Taking control of your own time. Na hindi
walang punch in, gano'n.
Yes.
Walang gano'n.
That's the best for me.
Yes.
Kasi, iba-iba tayo ng, kunyari, ng productivity time. Minsan, I'm productive at night or early in the morning. Minsan, the whole afternoon, ayoko. Hindi gumagana yung isip ko kasi daming gulo eh. So, yung bang ganon, you get to decide when you want to work and how you want to work. No requirements, no dramas, no formalities.
Right.
More on work when you can, work the best that you can, pero when you want and how you want it. Gusto mo sa labas, mag-Starbucks ka or what? Pwede din.
Advertising. Free Natives coffee na lang.
So, kung saan mo gusto, on Fridays, usually, kasi si tatay is a work from home on Friday, I go out. That's my happy day.
Yun. You have time
Friday,
pala.
Meron. Yun pala yung naisip ko.
Yes,
Pero work pa rin. Pero at least, I get to go outside at least once a week. Hanggat kaya. And then, work there at my brother's condo. Yun yung office namin eh. So, may free coffee ako. Siyempre. Free natives coffee. Daka naman. Yun. So, nag-work ako doon and I enjoy the day. So, taking control of your own time. That's one of the rewards.
So, it seems like you're in the place where you really want to be.
Yeah.
Na? To become a mother, a wife, and work from home. No?
Yes.
Earn, but do not miss on the milestones of both of your kids.
Yes.
No? So, at this moment, meron ka pa bang aspirations, dreams, in your life?
Yes, of course.
Would you want to return to the corporate life when they are bigger?
Yes, potentially.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Kasi ako, lagi kong mindset, hindi to scripted. Talagang ganito lang ako. I always want the best.
Wala pong script dito.
Wala. I always want the best for my family.
Yes.
So, if the best right now is to stay here and work from home, then that's what I'll do. But when that time comes, magmalaki na yan, nasa school na the whole day hanggang anong oras, then if an opportunity arises that I have to go out again and work, kasi yun yung best for us, then yes, I would gladly do it.
Would it be an option to build your own company?
Yes.
Because now you have.
Yes, I am.
Because you have now.
We're building right now, but we want more. More parang divisions and ano. So, we're working on it right now and to have my own as well. Kasi ngayon, I'm partnered with my brother sa business namin, but I want to build my own firm and everything in the future. Kung ano man yun.
So those are one of your aspirations and dreams pa in the future. No?
Yes.
So, of course, we don't hold our future. So, how do you stay grounded? How does your faith come into play in all of these things?
Okay, hirap niyan na. Pero, how does your faith come into play?
Diba?
Okay. Mapapaupo ako ng ano dyan.
Diba? How does your faith come into play in all of these things?
Okay, siguro my faith comes into play when I can focus on what really matters. Kasi every day, you do so many things. You work for your family and
Right.
for your future. But my faith helps me refocus my life on looking eternal. Looking on at the end of my life.
Right.
Yes, you can achieve a lot of things. You want to do a lot of things, of course, for the best of myself and my family.
Yeah.
Pero I also want na to know, parang to be always reminded by God, by my faith, na lahat yan pansamantala. At wala, at the end of your life, wala na. Saan ka mapupunta?
Right.
Anong mangyayari sa'yo? So, I would want to work on it more. That's why I also made a shift recently na isupport ka as a pastor. Kaming family, actually.
Yes, oo.
So,
Kayong mag-asawa.
Yun din yung ginawa namin recently last year. Sabay-sabay siya, actually. If
Yes.
napansin mo.
Oo, correct.
So, sabay-sabay siya. Hindi naman namin sinadya na parang, okay, by this year, ganito na gagawin namin. Hindi rin. So, siguro it went naturally
It's the hands of God.
Oh, at the hand of God na rin.
Totoo, diba?
Leading na rin niya na gano'n ang gawin namin. Kaming mag-asawa. Ano kami, parang DM mo, personal DM, ganyan, na wherever you are, hanggat kaya namin, we will support you sa ginagawa mo sa ministry mo, sa church. And,
kasi, para sa kabatiran ng lahat, no, na nanunood ngayon, Laika, after hearing all of those things, have started another journey of her life.
Yeah.
So,
hindi po ako pastor.
Hindi
at
po
hindi
siya
po
pastor,
magpapastor.
yeah. She has time to study lay minister program. Oo. So in our church, meron pong program na ganun. So, after all the hardships na narinig natin and the challenges that she has in her life now as a work from home mom, a full-time work from home mom, nagkaroon pa siya ng oras talaga na mag-aral, na umattend ng mga seminars na once a month, and she's a teacher in the church, ng aming church, teacher siya ng mga kids, no?
Yeah.
So, paano mo ito ginagamit sa iyong buhay bilang isang nanay, bilang isang asawa? Does it strengthen you? Does it make you a better person?
Yes, definitely. Personally, it helps me parang yun nga, refocus. Focus on what really matters, on God.
Yeah.
And pag nag-focus ka doon, lahat ng magiging problema mo, ang simple na lang pala.
Right. Oo.
Diba? Kasi parang, mas importante yun. Mas importante kaysa sa kung ano man yan. And it also helps me become a better mother and wife because, why? I'm being a good role model. Yeah.
Right.
Kasi I want my children to see me like how I see you. Imagine, nagpastor yung nanay ko. Parang, ano ba dapat ang maging buhay ko after niyan? Ang hirap naman makakeep up, di ba? So, dapat maging role model din ako sa kanila. How do I do it? I go to church every Sunday. I do what I can if I have time. I make time also.
Right.
So, pag may mga activities, I try to be there as much as I can. Then, naturally, your children will also follow your footsteps, just how we are. With you both as my parents. Si Daddy is a chairman, presidente ng kumpanya, pero chairman ng conference ng church natin. So, parang, anong limitation mo? Sobrang busy niya. Lalo naman akong hindi busy kaysa sa kanya. So,
doesn't this give you pressure?
No.
No.
It doesn't pressure me. Kasi kayo, hindi naman kayo yung parang, dapat gawin mo yan,
Fino-force,
dapat parang natural na lang. Kami, kanya-kanya kaming buhay magkakapatid. Iba-iba yung ano namin. Kami, ito yung decision namin, mag-asawa, na we want to be good role models to our children. Na yan, si Asher, I can see him na mas nagiging active sa church.
Right.
Sa Sunday school, ang galing-galing sumagot, ang galing mag-pray. Parang sanay siya. Imagine, bumabiyahe tayo every Sunday, Parañaque to Pampanga, sa church ni Mami ngayon. And minsan, pag may activity pa, like yesterday, Saturday, nagkaroon kami ng lay minister session 3 kami. Tapos sinabi ko yung date, no? Kung kailan tayo nag-shoot. Pero yun, so 2 days straight, uwian kami Pampanga. parang it is with difficulty. Kasi ang effort, ang sakit
Right.
ng likod ko nga eh.
Correct,
Kasi
correct.
may struggles din eh.
Right.
May may effort
Mm-mm.
on our part. Pero, okay lang. Rewarding siya, rewarding.
So, I know that you've gone through a lot as a corporate woman and now as a full-time mom. Yung mga mothers dyan na nandyan ngayon nanonood, what are your advices to them?
Mhm.
Ano yung, kung meron kang ilang mga bagay na gustong i-share sa kanila,
Mhm.
yung secret mo, why you're still beautiful,
Wow, thanks.
despite all the hardships, the challenges of being a full-time work-from-home mom. Ano yung pwede mong ibahagi sa kanila?
Okay. Siguro not really complicated advices.
Mm-mm.
Maybe take one day at a time.
Tama.
So that's one.
Mm-mm.
Wag masyadong parang ang laki-laki, masyado
Mm-mm.
ng yung buong araw mo. One thing at a time. Sabi mo nga, parang hugasin.
Tama.
Ang problema ay parang mga hugasin. Nauubos din, di ba?
Tama.
Isa-isahin mo lang matatapos yan. So
Mm-mm.
parang if you can't clean the whole house, clean one part. Di ba? May mga ganun eh. So, take it one day at a time.
Mm-mm.
And then maybe another would be focus. What's important in your life. Focus on what's important.
Yeah. Right.
Be grateful. Be grateful with what you have, even with what you don't have. Diba?
Mm.
Kasi makikita mo kung ano yung wala sa'yo. Makita mo, blessed pala ako. Kasi
Pa rin,
ganyan.
oo.
Ganun pa rin.
Correct,
So,
correct.
paging content ka, and at the same time, maging
Mm-mm.
content ka, at the same time, aim high. Always
Right.
aim the best.
For yourself and your
For
family.
yourself and for your family. For
Mm-mm.
the Lord, do the best that you can, di ba? While you're still alive.
Mm-mm.
So, gawin mo lang yung kaya mo. Si Lord na bahala mag-bless
Right,
sa'yo.
correct.
Di ba? So,
He will equip you. He will provide for the
Everything.
things that you need.
true.
And hindi mo pa hinihingi sa kanya, ibibigay
Bibigay
na
na
sa'yo. Di ba?
Yeah.
Right.
Not to mean very preachy, pero
yeah.
totoo
True.
naman in our
Totoo
life.
naman yun in our
Na-experience
lives.
namin yung mag-asawa.
Correct.
Yung mga blessings na binibigay ni Lord. Basta lang tuloy-tuloy ka lang.
Sa
Gawin mo
pagsiserve.
lang yung pagsiserve mo.
Yeah. So, if a mom out there is having, the same difficulties and challenges as Laika had in the previous life or even now, siguro, share with us your challenges as well and paano nyo siya tinugunan, no? How are you able to solve all those problems, those puzzles, and what are the things that na ginawa nyo para mas magaan ang pagiging buhay nyo bilang work from home mom and wife, no? I know it's very difficult, but the sharing of Laika is totoong-totoo. Marami sa inyo dyan na pareho ang buhay ninyo. Pero akala nyo kayo lang yung ganun, hindi po. Marami po kayo. Marami po kayong na nagsa-struggle, but despite the struggle, the rewards of being a work-from-home mom is enormous, no? Walang kapantay kasi nakikita mo yung mga anak mo.
Yeah.
So sometimes it's really difficult and sometimes it's really tiring. But when you see your child growing up in your own hands, then it's fulfilling.
Yes.
No, it's a blessing na minsan you don't see.
Correct.
But, the Lord is giving us all of these things, then let's appreciate it. And I'm sure in the future, your children and your children's children will appreciate what you're doing every day for their lives. So,
Yeah.
thank you so much, my daughter. No?
You're welcome. Thank you also.
Thank you
letting
for
me
sharing part of your life and being an inspiration to the young mothers out there. Sana po ay may natutunan po tayo sa buhay ni Laika ngayon at sana maging malakas din kayo katulad niya, no? And kung wala man tayong support from a partner, there will always be someone who will support you. Katulad namin, we're here. We want to hear your story. So if you also have the same story as Laika, comment down below and we will read your story the next week, okay? So Laika's story is a reminder that work is not just what we do. It's who we serve while doing it.
Wow.
We serve God, we serve your family, and we serve yourself.
Mm.
Huwag tayong maging pamartir. Huwag tayong
Correct.
pa-victim, no?
Correct.
Kasi pag ginagawa mo ng maligaya ka, lahat ng tao sa paligid mo maligaya din. No? Huwag mong isipin na kawawa ka at nasa bahay ka lang. Of course not. When you do something for your family, you're not kawawa.
Yeah.
'Di ba? You're not kawawa because your family deserves the best from you. Kesa naman yung ngarag ka na, galing ka sa labas, tapos pag uwi mo sa bahay, galit ka na sa pamilya mo.
Correct.
It's a blessing to work from home. And sometimes, the highest calling isn't found in the corner of the offices. Hindi naman yung highest calling ay nasa loob lang ng opisina, but at the kitchen table,
Yeah.
with a laptop in one hand and a toddler in the other. So
perfect.
very true, di ba?
Yes.
Yeah.
Nangyari na yan.
So yes, our fulfillment is not only seen or does not only happen in the four corners of an office. It can be anywhere in the corners of your house.
Yeah.
Together with your children and your family. So, mga kapatid, maraming salamat for sharing your time with us, listening to the story of my beautiful daughter, Laika. At sana po, next week, samahan niyo po ulit kami. Remember, no matter where you are, there's always a higher place to grow, to heal, and to believe again. Until next time, keep climbing, keep trusting, and we'll see you here again in the upper room. Good night, everyone.
Galing. Yay! Thank you.